Let's take a look at this next problem. We got x to the fifth minus 2xy plus y to the third is equal to 5 at the point 1, 2. And we want to find the slope of the graph of the function at the given point. So we want, the first step is to find derivative. So we'll take derivative of everything worth setting. So I'll take the derivative of x to the fifth with respect to x. I'll take the derivative of negative 2xy with respect to x. I'll take the derivative of y to the third with respect to x. And I'll take derivative of 5 with respect to x. Well, this one's going to be the product rule. The negative 2x will be our p, and the y will be our q. We need p prime. The derivative of negative 2x is negative 2. We need q prime. The derivative of y is 1, but then we have to add on a y prime. Anytime you're taking derivative with respect to x and it's really y, you have to put on the y prime. So we're going to have p prime q plus p q prime. So the derivative of x to the fifth is 5x to the fourth plus p prime, which is negative 2, times q, which was y, plus p, which is minus 2x, times q prime, which was y prime. Derivative of y to the third is 3y squared, but then we have to throw on our y prime. Again, taking derivative with respect to x, and it's really a y, you put on a y prime. And derivative of 5 is 0. So let me double check that. Okay. So that gives us 5x to the fourth minus 2y minus 2x y prime plus 3y squared y prime is equal to 0. Now we want to solve for y prime. So we'll go through our 5 steps. First step is get rid of parentheses, don't have any. Second step is get rid of fractions, don't have any. Third step is get everything with y prime on one side, everything else on the other side. Doesn't matter which side you take it to. I'm going to take these y primes, move them to the right side. So we get 5x to the fourth minus 2y equals 2x y prime plus 3y squared y prime. And that should be a minus. Again, when you take anything over the other side, sign changes. So my negative 2xy prime becomes positive 2xy prime. My positive 3y squared y prime becomes a negative. Now step 4. If y prime is in 2 or more different pieces, whatever that means, 2 or more different terms, 2 or more whatever, just as long as you got a minus or plus between them. Well, this is in 2 pieces. We've got our first piece here and our second piece here. Now, they do not have to be terms, so keep that in mind. Just as long as it's 2 separate pieces. Well, we've got y prime here, so we'll factor out a y prime. And that gives us 2x minus 3y squared. Now, last step, step 5, is to divide both sides by what's in front of / behind y prime. There's nothing in front of it, but there's a 2x minus 3y squared after it. So we'll divide both sides by 2x minus 3y squared. There we go. These 2x minus 3y squareds are going to cancel. And we're going to have 5x to the fourth minus 2y over 2x minus 3y squared is equal to y prime. That's step 1. Okay. Now step 2. We're going to replace our y prime, our derivative notation, with m. And we're going to plug in our given point for x and y. So I'll put 1 in for x, I'll put 2 in for y. So I got 5 times x to the fourth, so 5 times 1 to the fourth, minus 2 times y, so 2 times 2, over 2 times x, minus 3 times y squared, so I got 2 squared. Now let me double check that. X is 1, y was 2. That looks right. Now 1 to the 4th is 1, so that drops away. So that's 5 minus 2 times 2 is 4. Down here, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12, so 2 minus 12 equals m. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 12 is negative 10. So the slope at that point is negative 1/10.